Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you, are you currently experiencing your keyboard opening shortcuts instead of typing letters? If that's a problem you're facing, then I'm going to show you how to fix this. I know this can be really annoying, so you want to stick around, watch this video so that I can help you to solve this problem. So what you want to do guys, just simple go ahead and right click on your Windows icon on your taskbar here and go to the settings right now. And this is if you're using Windows 11, by the way. If you're using Windows 10, you just want to head over to your system settings here. Now, on the left hand side here, guys, you will see, go to accessibility and you want to scroll down and find keyboard. Now, once you open keyboard, ensure that sticky keys, filter keys are all turned off, right? You want to ensure that these are turned off and go ahead and try again. If you're still facing a problem with this, the next thing you want to do is just simple right click again on the Windows icon on your taskbar, and again this is if you're using Windows 11, and this time go to your device manager. You want to go to the device manager as well in Windows 10, so just find device manager. Now, within the device manager, you want to find keyboards. Go ahead and expand this, find your keyboard, right click on it, and simply uninstall the driver. Once you uninstall the driver, guys, go ahead and restart your computer and Windows will install the necessary driver for your keyboard again. Likewise, the first solution as well, when you turn off the sticky keys and filter keys, you want to also restart your PC and try if the solution solve. I've experienced this on a separate PC that I've experienced this over the last few days, and these were the solution. These are the steps that I've used to solve my problem. So I wish you the best of luck that this will solve the problem for you. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.